आज का हमारा टॉपिक है solubility. Solubility is defined as the amount of solute in gram dissolved in some gram of solvent to prepare a saturated solution at a given temperature. The concentration of a saturated solution is referred to as the solubility of the solute in a given solvent. Different substances have different solubility in the same of movement amount of solvent at a specific temperature. For example, sodium nitrate is more soluble. Silver chloride in water generally the solubility of solute is taken to be the the required to make saturated in given of solvent. Solubility is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solvent. Solubility of solute depends of following factor: nature of solvent, nature of solute, pressure, temperature. Nature of solute: when the molecule of solvent similar in natural structure of properties to the molecular of the solvent. The solubility is a greater is a greater because the light dissolve. Like for example, sodium chloride or organic compound has a greater solubility in a polar solid like water, but low solubility. Impossible is a no polar solid like nature of solute. Nature of solute at affect solubility if a solute is changed and the solvent remain the same, the solubility of the solute has changed. For example, sodium chloride has a high solubility in water and sugar has a comparatively low solubility in water. Like it is like in the general principle of solubility, it means that the the ionic substances are soluble in polar solvent. Mm, the solid and the polar covalent compound are the soluble in water, e.g., NaCl, KCl, and is sugar, glucose, and are soluble in water. Non-polar substances are insoluble in the polar solvent. Non-polar covalent compounds are insoluble in water, such as benzene and petrol is insoluble in water. Non-polar covalent substances are soluble in non-polar solvent. Pants and soluble in petrol, either are carbon tetra, tetra, tetrachloride, etc. Solubility and solute solvent interaction. Lithium chloride is highly soluble in water, but gas alone is not. On the other hand, gas alone mixes readily with but lithium chloride does not weigh. Are there such difference in solubility like dissolve like is raw but rough but useful rule? substance will dissolve in another or not dissolving compound and the polarity of the water molecule plays in water formation of solution of ionic composition in water change in the form of energy is called biggest universally from the higher to lower concentration of either lithium chloride is the water molecule came with lithium the positive and of the water molecule are attracted with the negative and attractive lithium the dissolved red ions become information firmly distributed in the solution.